What's going on, money team? 3 to the 1 from the 1 to the 3. It's Power Hour with Jdun, and we're choosing DOD. What's good? What's good? What's good? All right. What's going on, baby? What's going on, TikTok? This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only and is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's go. Let's get it. DOD, DOD, DOD. Let's go. 3 to the 1 for the 1 to the 3. All right, let's get it. What's up, team boy? Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's find a power hour banger. I'd say one out of every, what, 10 days? One out of every 10 power hour days we catch a banger. Let's make this one of them. Shall we? I think we shall. I think that we shall. How's everybody doing? How y'all doing? Talk to me, Team Bull. You guys hate me? You guys don't want to talk to me in Stages chat? All the lies that you told, did you believe in that? Okay, let's get it. Y'all see my IG story with them back shots? I got a beautiful back shot today. All over my whole back. Covered my whole back. All over my entire back. Let's see here. Look at that back shot. Oh, yeah. What? That's a beautiful back shot right there. Look at that. How can y'all not say that's not a fire back shot? I thought that was fantastic. What form? Such a beaut. Hold your second payout. Let's go. Your guys' minds are all in the gutter. All in the gutter. Do I think it'll move if it breaks that high? It's tough. This market just doesn't care about this war news. Not even a little. Beautiful back shot. Covered my whole back. What a pretty sight to see. Felt good too. I mean, really just getting that squeeze in there. I had a terrible day. It was creeping up on me slowly throughout the past few weeks. Need some DOD words from you, Father. Well, it sounds like you've taken accountability for what happened. You felt your impulses and you felt your tilt creeping up on you, and you finally let it out. Kind of like a volcano that slowly builds up and then erupts. Your job is to sense that coming and do a good job and proper job resetting. That's where DOD comes in. That cheap, garbage, self-sabotaging dopamine will make you do some crazy things. When your amygdala gland is stimulated and when you are strung high on emotion, you will make decisions that rationally you never would. That's why, for example, in arguments, when you're upset, you walk away for 5-10 minutes and you come back, you're in a completely different mindset. Or whenever you get in a fight with someone and you're yelling at your spouse or a friend, and then later on you're like, wow, why did I say that? That was so silly. It's the same thing with trading. If you would let yourself reset and have the patience and the discipline to not make those bad decisions, you would see your results shift as well. It's the same deal. You are the best mentor anyone can ask for. Thank you. You're welcome always. I do my best. I'm confused about Power Hour. Are we trading or preaching? Bro, let's go. You're right. Let's go catch a trade right now. Let's just find the nearest trade and click buy because we can, because we should be trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Let's just trade, bro. Come on. You got to know better than that. That's not how we rock up in here. That's not how we rock. We don't do that here. You seem angry. Well, I'm angry because I want y'all to succeed. I hate when you guys blow yourselves up. I want to see y'all win. I want to see you guys follow DOD. To trade smart, to trade safe. I caught shorts this morning for 70 points. I mean, here's the deal, is that I will occasionally take a trade. What am I going to take right now? Sure, you could arguably take shorts or longs, but why? I want you guys asking yourself that before every trade that you take. Why did I take that? Why am I taking this because it's a good setup and because I have an edge and I have a systematic higher probability than winning than losing? Or am I taking this because I'm bored and because I'm a degenerate? Those are questions that you have to ask yourself. Want to purchase my first eval, would you recommend starting with Apex? I can recommend them now that they have their end of day drawdown plans. I certainly can. I appreciate you using code. If you use code Jdun, you'll get 85% off of the 50K. It's only $29. Very cheap barrier to entry. Have I ever ate broccoli sprouts? I'm not a huge broccoli guy, but it's fine. It's aight. It's cool. Yo, as a reminder, YouTube, I appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up button. How we got 140 people in here and like 10 likes. 20 likes. All right, let's get that up to 50, guys. Come on, hit that thumbs up button. Same with TikTok. Appreciate y'all tapping that screen over and over. Hit that like button, baby. If you enjoy these lives, if these lives have helped you in your trading, or if you're looking to learn how to trade, hit that like button, baby. Let's get it. Pay done. I've been messing up my entries and exits. My executions are there, and I have the right idea when I make the trade because the trend goes in my way, but I'm still continuing to lose. What do you find happening? That's a good thing that you have your bias is right. Your directional bias is correct. But you have to look at the minor details of what's going wrong. Where are you consistently getting stopped out? Because there's some times where it's just going to happen, right? You can't build a strategy that never gets stopped out. Got my third payout this week thanks to DOD. Let's go. Been getting weekly payouts with TPT. Currently build my GPU, my Apex accounts for big payout. Let's go. It's usually your stop loss is a bad spot. I mean, I think that your number one teacher in trading is data, guys. That's what's ultimately going to teach you the most in real time every day. Every trade that I take, I'm trying to learn from. I'd be profitable if I could stop over leveraging. Mind-blowing how hard it is to stop. Now, what do I tell you every single day? Why do I scream DOD at you every single morning? Because ultimately, your discipline and your inability to stop self-sabotaging is what's holding you back from becoming profitable and staying profitable. And when you think about that, you have to ask yourself, well, what does it mean to be profitable? To me, it means that you're consistently having bigger wins, smaller losses, and you're not going on tilt. You can trade great for a week or two straight, but if you blow yourself up every 3 weeks, even one time a month, it sets you back all that progress. You can't allow that to keep happening, bro or sis. Right now, we're hanging out just above pre-market high as far as looking for trades goes. We're honestly at a tough spot. It is, Farouk. Yes. Fifth. I hate when I hesitate to pull the trigger on a trade. Well, why are you hesitating? Looks bearish, but we've been making higher lows. What's bearish about this? If we break down this pre-market high and this previous higher low right here, I would concur. I'd concur that if we broke this and broke this, I'd look for a move down. Jdun, your strategy changed my trading. I am profitable, but not that consistent with payouts and make mistakes here and there. I'm locking in. Love how simple your strategy is. I appreciate you. It's just price action. It's all you guys need. You guys don't need super complicated ICT wizardry. I know it's very easy to think that the more complicated your strategy is, the more money you'll make, but it's actually the opposite. I do that every day. Win, lose, or draw. Like yesterday, I lost 1,300, 1,338. Today, I made 2,300. So win some, you lose some. I'm just saying, as history says, If I start the week right on a Monday, the rest of the week goes very well. My max losses are on 2,500. If I lose over that in my live account at this time, I'm done. I've thought about sizing up slowly to like, 3,000 max loss, 3,500 max loss in my live. Yeah, Dinero's been killing it. Gene's been crushing it on Asia. He's making a lot of money and making a lot of people money trading on Asia every day in the afternoon or evening. Yesterday I made 47K. If that's true, that's awesome. Yeah, Gene's a beast today's Asia session. Gene's a beast at Asia. Man, don't play around. I guess I can try here. Once a stream asking for a buy of a Team Bull hat. They're coming. Yep, you can use code Jdun on the new Apex accounts. They're only 90 or almost 90% off. They're only $29. I recommend the 50K Trade of 8 account with end of day drawdown. Any risk management advice? My best advice I can possibly give you is to visualize your risk on every trade and to know your risk and where your stop loss is on every trade that you take. You can't just buy or sell with no plan in place on when to stop. Thanks for saving my cat from the tree yesterday. You're welcome. Hold on, GD. I might not be able to hear you. I need to test my GD.
Hey, what's up?
All right, I can hear you. What up?
Not much. How's everyone doing?
Vibing, bro. Looking for a banger. Looking for a heat-seeking missile of a trade. We're right at this pre-market high. I was telling everyone, it's not often I catch a trade during power hour. It happens, but
this has been an interesting market, man. Just a lot of volatility, and then obviously we gapped down this morning. Everyone probably thinks shorts, and then all of a sudden we just get some liquidity and maybe move higher.
Yep.
I added some Tesla shares, just a few. I added some AB or ABE or A, whatever this Adobe. Add some Adobe shares, and that's all for today. Gonna keep adding, bro. You should be adding as much as you be adding in Bitcoin.
She's pushing. She's getting ready to hopefully push.
I mean, screw DOD, you might be right, but I can't lie. When you see a stock that's down 40% and their financials aren't bad, I'm willing to take the gamble.
I would love to see the ultimate sell-off during Power Hour.
Same, I'd be very open to look for a nice little shooter.
I'd love to see the ultimate sell-off. Jdun, any advice to help a former breakout trader trust that the retest will pivot? It's all about your experience and your ability to manage risk. I mean, you're going to lose retest trades. You're going to lose any system you have is going to lose trades. I just find that trading trends and trading retests versus trading breakouts is much less stressful. Damn, is this going to continue down? Kind of looks like it. Going Burry style. No new trades for me yet. Don't. Let's see how the 15-minute chart's looking too. Sometimes I'll look to that for some guidance if I'm not seeing a lot in the 5-minute. Right now, it's very indecisive. I'd like to see us lose this low. Yeah, there's a lot of bearish. There's a lot of bearish structure. Even though I lost today, I still won by gaining knowledge about what I did wrong and what I can do to improve. DOD, gym tonight and watching a class video as my win. Let's go. That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. Let's dope. Don't. I got my iced coffee. What up, Houston?
Not gonna lie, the iced coffee sounds really good right now.
Fire, bro.
I like Dutch Bros. It's good. I don't know if you have Dutch Bros.
If I have what?
Dutch Bros.
We do. I don't.
Is that what it's called?
I haven't had it, Lux. I mean, I only drink really black coffee, and lots of Dutch has lots of. They're known for their sugary drinks.
Gene was getting like the one with like 5 shots in it.
Oh yeah, he loves it. He loves it. DOD for the win. Let's go. Put in the work. I'm trying, man. I have been grinding in the gym, guys, like for real. Grinding, baby. Sun's out, guns out. The big thing for me has really just been adding carbs. Once I started doing that, it's been a wrap. GD, it's a little muffly in the background.
Really?
Yeah, heard something. Ooh, that looks like a good rejection of pre-market low. So far, that would have been good with that retest of that pre-market low and the 50% retracement. Stops would have been at 788, probably like 770 entry, 750 right now. So it's at like 1-to-1. It's at 1-to-1. Now she's moving. Take out that low. I do legs at least once a week. Hardcore, and we push my body to the limit when we work out, my trainer and I. I'd rather go to boxing gyms. I get bored lifting. You're just not doing the right workouts. I do better workouts. Keep yourself moving. Jdun, is it true that you only look like that because you are short? I heard it from a 6'1" tall guy. Yes. I'm 5'6" on a good day. Told you guys I am the short king. I don't know what's wrong with being 5'6". You guys are mean to me. I could be 4'6". I'd still be catching you bangers. 4'6", 5'6", 6'6". It's all the same thing. Still catching you bangers.
All right, bro, relax on the height, okay?
Someone told me I only looked the way I look because I was below 6 foot.
What's wrong with being 5'8", huh?
So shit, you can make me 4'8". I'll still catch bangers. Shit, 3'8". Give me a stepping stool to trade with y'all. I'll stand on my wallet. Yeah. I'll stand on my wallet. I'm 5'6", but my personality is 6'5". What's up with these candles, guys? Give us some trend. Give me trend or give me death. Come on. If you guys trade options, the best prop firm you guys can trade with is Vanquish. You guys should check out Vanquish Funded Trader. They're 50% off right now with a free reset. You use code Jdun. If you guys are trading options, I've had more and more students getting paid out with Vanquish too. I recommend the advanced options account. Bro, you're broke, buddy. Films, I'm praying for you. I love you. And I hope you had a blessed trading day and you made a lot of money. May God bless you and yours around you. Amen. EdgeClear is great. That's how I use for my live account. One of them. EdgeClear is fire. Or baller. I'm seeing more and more people getting paid out with Vanquish, which has been cool. They do, yep. There's something wrong with TikTok today. It's like it was being weird. It's saying like total viewers 0 and the likes are being weird. It's just something's wrong with like the videos. People are posting videos and getting 0 views. It's just being weird. But I'm live on YouTube as well. I'm live on YouTube every day. If you can't find my TikTok streams, I'm also live on YouTube every day. Jdun Trades. YouTube, Jdun Trades. What's my opinion on Tradeovate live account? They're great. I love Tradeovate. Tradeovate's solid. Yeah, I've had a $3,372 payout from Vanquish. That's awesome. Yeah, we've had a lot of people get paid out trading options in with Vanquish. Jdun, I love you, bro. I love you too. I'm going to do my best to help you guys be okay with being bored every day. The more you can be okay with being bored, the more success you're going to have in life. In trading specifically, but in life as a whole. Indiana Whitetails said, very thankful. I can't talk English. Indiana Whitetail said, very thankful for you, bro. You're changing thousands of lives every day with DOD, including myself. Love the things you're doing. Much love, bro. Means a lot. What a blessing it is to be bored. For real. At what point did you feel confident enough to quit your job and be a full-time trader? I don't recommend anyone quit their job for like 2 years until 2 years of profitability. Honestly, I don't think you should ever only have trading as an income unless you're trading with a multiple 6-figure account. Am I going to trade? If I see something I like, I might. I don't just take trades to take trades. I've seen a lot of people have success with peptides with weight loss. I stopped taking them because I didn't really I don't need to lose weight. I don't have any weight to lose. I mean, you look at me, I'm rock solid. So I tried BPC 157 and TB 500, then Samorlin, and I didn't really notice any difference. I already live super healthy. You guys see my back shots on IG? Covered my whole back.
Back shots?
Yeah. I got back shots earlier. What's wrong with that? I love getting a full back shot. It looks good. It feels good. Is there something wrong? What's wrong with the back shot? You see that on the screen? Look at that back shot. Tell me that's not a beautiful back shot right there. Full back. Felt amazing. Looked great. Some of y'all got your minds seriously in the gutter. You need to figure that out. Come on now. That's a back shot if I've ever seen one. Man, that felt good. Looked good. The back shot bear was here earlier. I'm the back shot bear. Weight is too light. You'll never get big like this. That's actually not true. You'd prefer and you benefit more from quality of reps than going big and ego lifting and hurting yourself. And honestly, quite frankly, I think I'm pretty big. Like, you look at my full physique being 100% natural. I run around 900 natural test, give or take. I won't take TRT till I'm probably in my late 30s. I'm 29 now. I'm also, you guys got to remember, I'm 6'7", so I got a lot of body to fill. Like, there's a lot of room here. All right, guys, it's necessary. Where is it? I didn't want to do bro like this. I don't have a choice.
You're like 5'8", 160 pounds, bro. You are not 6'7". Stop lying to the chat. You are clearly 5'8", 160 pounds. You don't take trades on the live, and you just BS all day, bro.
Shut the fuck up! My goodness! These people! Damn! Oh my goodness gracious. I will never understand some of the comments I see on my live streams. I do crack myself up, honestly. I honestly do think I'm funny sometimes. More chart talk, less BS talk. Yes, please talk about the charts in the 20-point range we've been in. I need to take a trade right now, Jdun. If I'm not going to trade every second of every day, then I will lose my mind. I need to capitalize on this power hour because there's so many trades to take. What? Don't. Hey, losers focus on winners. Winners focus on winning. Just saying. I do my best to catch the winning trades. I know. All the trades. Need all the trades, guys. Can never stop trading.
Yeah, the chat's funny.
I know. People are hilarious.
Is it still muffling when I unmute? It's weird. I don't know what's happening. Does it? You don't hear it, people?
Not as bad.
I don't know what it is. I think it's quiet here. What's it sound like?
Not when you're muted, though.
Like I'm underwater. How about now? Same? No better.
Did you see that guy talking about you, Jdun? He says that you can't trade live. Bro, that guy literally looks like he's pregnant. I don't give a crap what he says. It looks like he has a baby in his belly. I ain't taking advice or criticism from no man who looks like he's damn pregnant with a baby. I'll tell you that right now. I'll give him the back shots. I'll give him the sauce. And I want to see everyone get in shape. So I'd love to teach him how to take some back shots. Pause. You're not fully maximizing morning moves. He is missing out and leaving so much on the table. That mindset will lead you to blown accounts. It's not Pokemon. You don't have to catch them all. That is the biggest misconception that traders have. You don't need to capitalize on every move all day, every day. You will make more money and keep more money as a trader if you focus on base hits, taking your slice of the pie, and managing risk. That is what will keep you alive as a trader. Not catching every single move and catching 500 points a day. I know that sucks for some of y'all to hear. And again, I was talking to someone in my DMs yesterday. We're going back and forth. And they said, Jdun, I don't like how you speak sometimes on the live because you're too direct and sometimes you hurt people's feelings. I said, would you rather me be diligent towards your feelings and feed you BS, or would you rather me be real and tell you like you're messing up? I'd rather keep it real and tell you, hey, if you're screwing up, I'm going to tell you that and I'm going to put you in your place for a better future for yourself. My job is not to be nice. My job is not to be friendly. My job is to be honest with you. If you're looking for someone who's going to coddle you and say, hey, it's okay. You can keep breaking your trading plan and it's going to be all right eventually. No, fuck that. Excuse my language. Like you gotta step up your habits. You're going to keep hamster wheeling through prop accounts and blowing all your money if you can't get your discipline in check. I'd rather be honest about that and call you on your BS than be nice and be friendly. You feel me? I don't know what move we're going to go through. I mean, you have a pretty clear trend line right here, right? You have these higher lows and you also have these lower highs. So we'll see what way we break. I mean, it's power hour, so we'll see. And we catch a lot of big moves too, but I'm fine with 30, 40, 50, 60 point trades. You know, a lot of people, especially in the prop space, will try to influence you to take a lot of trades. Why? If someone has a code and has a partnership with a prop firm, why would they want to be giving you guys trade after trade and telling you guys to keep trading and to keep finding setups and to never miss a setup? Do you think it's because they care about you? Think it's because they think that your probability to win goes up the more trades you take? No, it's because the more trades that you take, the more likelihood you blow your account and have to use their code again, sign up and spend more money. You also won't hear many other influencers or mentors tell you that I would prefer you on a live account. I think prop firms are a tool. I think that they can be good for traders if used correctly. But ultimately, my end goal for every single person, there isn't one person this doesn't go towards. My end goal for you is to be on a live account. If every single one of you guys had a live account that you were building and choosing DOD on, I'd be fine with no one ever using code Jdun ever again because that's better for your future. I obviously appreciate you guys supporting me. Appreciate you guys rocking with the DOD movement. Using code Jdun if you're trading with prop firms, but ultimately I want you guys on a live account in the end and building your own confidence through trading live capital. You got to pay yourself. How much should I deposit for my first time? But I've been really good at the paper trading. I'm just going to be very bluntly honest with you. Your paper trading success means absolutely nothing to where you'll be with a live account. And don't take that in a disrespectful way. What I mean by that is that you've had no sort of emotions attached to your paper trading. I've seen this, and I'm sure people in chat have went through this, where you've had a lot of success paper trading, you've done good, and then when you go to a live account, it's like you're restarting almost. That's why I always tell people paper trading is good for learning how to use your platform, but it's not good for building confidence trading live capital. Even with a prop firm, at least you have skin in the game, paying your hard-earned money for accounts. Buy me groceries, please. How about I catch you a winning trade and I'll help you make enough money to buy groceries. Construction worker. And I trade while listening to you every day. That's awesome. That's how Grizzly started too. I used to work commercial sheet metal. To be honest, that sucked. I was not a fan. All right, we just had a MOC. How do you not get juked on pattern trades? I'll wait for a break and retap, but always just falls. I mean, I do get juked out sometimes. I get stopped. I was red yesterday. It happens. This sounds kind of crazy, but it's a mindset that I keep. I am prepared to lose, say, 10 trades in a row. If I were to lose literally 10 trades in a row, I would be 100% fine from a risk perspective because I follow my rules. I don't go on tilt. I don't blow myself up. I have strict rules that I follow. And when I understand that I accept losing as a possible outcome, it makes winning much easier. A lot of you can't possibly accept losing or being red on the day as an outcome, and that kills your trading confidence, and it kills your systematic approach. All right, let's see here. Let's see what ends up happening with this candle. I appreciate you guys on the TikTok hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live every morning. Our main live stream is in the morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So if you're looking to learn how to trade, make this a part-time or full-time income, learn the right way to trade. It's not get rich quick. It's not easy. I host these live streams for 100% free. I appreciate you hitting that follow button and also joining me on YouTube every morning at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on YouTube. DOD mindset is different. That's facts. Trying to get my 18-year-old to learn trading. I mean, that's a great age to start. It's a great age to start. Start them early. I want you guys all to do something positive for yourselves tonight, too. I want you guys to choose DOD. Do something positive for yourself. Who thinks we should host another free live training soon, too? It's been a while. It's been a few weeks. I told you guys I'd have one in late February. I didn't, so maybe March we'll host one. How did the AM session go? Made money? One winner? Made money, one winner. Jdun, you're a go. Love the Insta stuff. Riker, let's go. That's my kid's name, spelled the same way. No updates, Sexy Rexy. Stuck to DOD the past 2 months, taking my biggest payout yet, 10K plus. Let's go, Nate. Whoop, whoop. That's awesome. Riker the GOAT. Yep, I want to host a massive BullCon. Is DOD a model? Kind of. It's a mindset. It's a model. It's something. You see a trade, J baby? I'm itching to sniff some dopamine. Honestly, with this last candle, no. When is your copy trading video coming out? I'm going to work on it tonight. You don't get off the charts? Never. I trade 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, even the weekends. I just sit here and wait and stare for Asia Open. That's all I do all day, every day. Apex new account, 6 payouts, then account is gone. Yeah, you either start over or you get moved to live. Which at that point, you've turned like $100 account after activation fee into like probably 10K or something like that. So I don't think that's something you need to worry about. All right, y'all. I am going to mob off. The market's closing in a few minutes. I hope you guys all had a blessed DOD-driven day. I want you guys to all do something positive for yourself tonight. Go to the gym, read 5 pages of a book, meditate, pray. Do something that you haven't been doing or that you've been putting off that will put you in a better place tomorrow. How you operate in your daily life has a direct reflection on your trading. Hope you all trade smart, trade safe. Have a good night's sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Gene will be on later for Asia as well. God bless y'all. On this YouTube channel, Gene will be live, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button on YouTube. Gene will be on this channel for Asia stream in 2 hours. So if you guys are on the TikTok, you can head on over to YouTube, Jdun Trades, and go subscribe so you don't miss Gene's live stream. If you want to trade this afternoon/evening, he's been killing it, getting payouts, helping a lot of people. And you guys can click that, turn your notifications on this channel so you guys don't miss that later this evening. God bless y'all. I'll see you later. Peace.